How to fix keyboard not working on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your keyboard is not working in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the settings. For that, click on this start icon on your device and then click on settings. Now once you're on the settings, click on accessibility from this menu bar on your left hand side. Scroll down a bit and then click on keyboard. Here you have to turn on this toggle for on-screen keyboard. Now once you have this on-screen keyboard in your screen, again click on the search bar. Now with the help of this keyboard, type in run and then click enter. Now under this run command box, you have to clear this all and here type in reg and then edit. Then click on OK. Click on yes. After that, you have to expand this HK local machine and then again go to system and expand this folder. Here again expand current control set and then expand services. Here search for a folder that is i8042 port. You can see it, i8042 port. Now you have to expand this folder again. Or you have to open this folder that is i8042 port. Here go to start and right click on it. Then click on modify. Here you have to set the value data to 1. Clear this all and then set it to 1. After that, click on OK. And then you can close all this repository and then you have to restart your device. Once you restart your device, your problem will be solved. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing.